so design process.
Now.
We want something within these 19.8 centimeters.
Right.
And we want our rotary blades to be within this too.
And
So where's the ruler? And we need what is this called? Okay, I know we have the rotary disc, but this little
tail rotor?
tail rotor. Okay. So we don't necessarily have to use these propellers, right? We can make our own
I assume so.
out of like balsa wood. I don't know if balsa wood would be.
Even though the thing is that you can at least connect a wire to this.
Yeah, because then it just has like a little pole through it. Oh,
Yeah.
it's in coffee.
But we definitely get a bigger main rotor.
Yeah.
That could be a good tail rotor.
Well, this would be a good rotor too because it fits within. So I don't know if we can use it as a default. Like, wait, isn't there like smaller ones? Are they magnetic?
Yeah, they are.
I wonder if hold on. Semi-magnetic.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to break this.
Who's doing the alarm?
Do you have another one of the big rotors?
Big what?
Big rotors.
Oh. Got it.
Okay, so can fit in. So I'm guessing that one would just have more power and would spin it faster.
You also got these.
Oh,
So,
imagine like this. Well, you do want a small one because you don't want a big one.
yeah.
Because then that would like super make it off balance. So it may be best to just make your own, but just as default, we'll just do these. Okay, this is funny. It's like a little funny one.
Yeah.
Okay, so where's the ruler? Okay, so this would be like 1 inch, which would be how many centimeters? Like 2.5.
Now, what's the body going to be made out of? Oh, wait, we can just cut a piece of like balsa wood or something. Well, no. What's helicopter being made out of? Metal, right? The final helicopter.
I don't think so. Ask them. LR equals. Wait, what did I say it was? 2.5. Here's a little one. Yeah, 2.5.
The final helicopter is going to be built out of. Did you say metal or balsa?
Balsa wood plus motors.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good because we can prepare for that a little better.
These guys here.
We're allowed to make for like.
If you want.
But that'll be the size of the main rotor, maybe.
Well, this,
You can change it.
yeah, you can take. You want to build your own, that's fine. But this is the motor for the tail rotor, and this is the motor for your main rotor.
Okay.
So if you want to do these, or if you want to use your own,
Okay.
if you build your own, yeah, you can get the extensions. You can increase the size. But I'll leave it to you.
You gotta create on this circle.
Yeah, okay. Wait, when you said we can create our own, that means we can move the poles? Or... Oh, we'll just build it within this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I wasn't the one who gave that to us. But
Oh,
what did he say when he did?
that's the dimension.
As in.
But then, the weird thing would be like, if we were to make a small one, we would have to make it super light. If you had a big one, you had more lift with bigger rope.
Okay.
You get what I mean? Henry?
Yeah.
Like, the smaller it is, the more power you would need, because it would be heavier with you. So the weight to lift ratio would be small. Let's just assume we're just going to make it within this, and then other teams could change it if they want.
Yeah.
So,
We just need to figure out where we need to put the center of gravity. Oh, it has to be right under the main rotor. The center of gravity.
yeah. So, let's say, so are we going to want it to, like, we don't want it to exactly be within this, right? I mean, we do want it to be within this, but we don't want it to be like a tight fit, right? We want it to be like, so how much, should we leave like an inch of space, do you think?
Yes.
So like,
Give it about an inch on each side.
1 inch would be here. Okay, and then the other inch would be here. Okay, so just to make it more. Okay, so we want the. Okay, so this is our gray area. Okay. So how should the body be designed?
We could just make it take a piece of balsa wood and just cut it down, sand it the way we want it.
Okay. But what should be the length or like and the width? Okay, first like what would be what we need like at least the diameter of this so we can know where to place this circuit in. So we like if we're gonna use this, we don't want this to be like in. We can have some of it sticking out, so you can have it like this long. But then you're gonna want enough room to like make the circuit, and enough room to put the battery. The battery's gonna be heavy.
Yeah.
So where will we want our center of gravity to be in front, but close to our center of pressure. So if we were to put this in the middle, like all the way in the middle, so we should balance it out, right? So like, what we can do, I don't know if this will work, but like, how about we spread the weight of the battery?
So one on one side, one on the other?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like do like a circuit, that kind of. You get what I mean, right?
Yeah. But
if you have two of these on one side, that's gonna upset the balance of pressure. I mean, of gravity.
not if we put it right in the middle.
Yeah, but then if you put everything right in the middle, it's gonna be all like, it can't take off.
Well, I think we should test these motors to see how fast they really spin.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. But then he said design.
I'll get better. I'll get.
Well,
Do you have anything to plug it in?
Know
Yeah, that's what I was.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's what I told you. Like, we're technically designing.
Yeah.
It's still recording. Is it recording? I don't know. Is the light on? Oh, it is. Okay.
Let's take the ball from there. Ooh, can we get a wire cutter too? Yes, thank you. I don't see one. Oh, wait. Yeah, we got one, but it's not good. What?
Should we get to...
Yeah, black or nasty.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Oh, okay, John. Good to see you, kid. Yeah, we didn't need jaw.
Pick this one up or like put it over?
Yeah. Well, wait. Should,
Just wanna
split over it. Where are they? Okay. So we don't want to go
Well, do we have the scissor?
scissor?
Do you think we could just use half of it
Yeah.
this way?
What? Just love to watch.
you lost. You lost the rock paper scissors. Forget it.
We're gonna rock on this, but in your mind decide whoever wins will go to what one, and then I won this.
On the left, so I hate riding scissors. But
Oh,
everything
yeah,
is a riding
that's right.
scissor.
Oh yeah, that's right, huh? It's really hard to find lefty
And it has
scissors.
more power than I thought it would.
Oh, and then lefty mouse is nice.
yeah.
We'll compare.
I'm okay with riding nasty. I've gotten used to it.
It's this is.
Small one.
should.
But then the more tape we put on, the more weight we add.
That's why I say we want to like take it
No.
So if you could keep the same position of the flaps, then go ahead and take it off. I know. This one is actually going down more than this.
Oh,
If you notice it.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
It's not really
It's working.